Where does everything stop? The stars, the galaxies, the cosmic ocean. Does it ever reach an edge? Or does it stretch on forever? Like a thought that refuses to end? Infinity isn't just a number. It's a mirror that never stops reflecting. The more you chase it, the more it runs ahead, pulling both science and soul toward a horizon that can never be reached. Because maybe, the question isn't how big the universe is, but whether ending was ever real at all. Infinity begins where measurement breaks. Ancient philosophers saw it as divine, the realm of gods, unreachable, perfect. But mathematicians gave it rules. An abstract symbol that both defines and destroys logic. You can add 1 to infinity, multiply it, divide it, and it never changes. It's the number that refuses to play by the rules of numbers. But the universe, it might be doing the same thing. Look out into the night sky. Every point of light is a time machine, a fragment of an infinite past, still whispering across space. And yet, no matter how far telescopes reach, they find no walls, only more galaxies, more structure, more silence. The cosmos doesn't stop. It just keeps unfolding. Like a story written on a scroll that loops back on itself, human minds crave edges. We draw maps, build fences, and mark time in beginnings and ends. But infinity laughs at that. Ask a mathematician what lies between 0 and 1. And they'll tell you, an uncountable infinity of points. Infinity hides in the smallest things, as much as the largest. Even a line of 1 inch contains endless fractions within it. Every atom, every second, every heartbeat, divisible without limit. A hall of mirrors within mirrors. Infinity lives not just in space, but in structure. And yet, there's danger in chasing it. Zeno of Elea, a Greek philosopher, once argued that motion was impossible, because you'd have to cross an infinity of halfway points to reach anywhere at all. Infinity, he said, made the simple act of walking logically impossible. Of course, he was wrong, but his paradox exposed a truth. Our minds can imagine infinity, but not live inside it. Physics treats infinity like a red flag. Whenever equations reach infinite, something breaks. An infinite mass, an infinite density. It means our understanding has hit a wall. The Big Bang, for instance, wasn't an explosion in space, but an expansion of space. Time and distance themselves stretched outward. But from what? If there was a before. It's beyond our current mathematics, a hidden chapter we can't yet read. Some theories say the universe is finite but unbounded. Like the surface of a sphere. You could travel forever in one direction and never hit an edge. Just loop endlessly back to where you began. Others say it's truly infinite. A cosmic quilt that never repeats, containing every possible arrangement of matter, every version of you that could exist. In that model, infinity isn't out there. It's right here, repeated endlessly, pattern upon pattern, beyond imagination. Infinity isn't just cosmic. It's psychological. Every thought gives birth to another. Every idea unfolds into questions that have no final answer. You felt it? The endless recursion of what if? The unfinishable loop of curiosity. Consciousness itself might be an infinite hall. A mind trying to contain itself, forever spiraling inward. The mystics knew this before physics did. They said the soul mirrors the cosmos. Both boundless, both immeasurable. When you stare into the night sky, what you see is not just distance, but reflection. Infinity staring back through your own eyes. Conflict, the fear of forever. There's something unsettling about infinity. We crave meaning in limits. Beginnings give stories weight. Endings give them peace. Infinity denies both. It's the book without a last page. The circle without a break. What would it mean to live in a world that never truly ends? For some, that's freedom. For others, it's terror. Because infinity also means nothing ever concludes. Every mistake, every loss, echoes forever in some form. Every version of you, exists somewhere out there, still walking paths you didn't take. Maybe that's the hidden cost of eternity. To accept that closure is an illusion, and every ending is just the next beginning in disguise. Infinity doesn't erase meaning. It deepens it. If the universe never ends, then every act, every kindness, every creation ripples endlessly across existence. There's no final silence, only transformation. Think of time not as a line, but as a spiral. Every moment you live is another turn of that spiral, a repetition that's never quite the same. The stars that die become the atoms in your breath. The heat that fades becomes the spark that lights another world. In that sense, infinity is not distant. It's alive inside you. Your heartbeat is the universe continuing itself. Infinity is not there to be conquered. It's there to remind you that you belong to something that cannot end. You are a ripple in an endless sea, a single moment in the eternal breath of a universe still learning what it means to exist. Maybe that's the point. Infinity isn't about numbers or stars. It's about wonder, the quiet realization that everything continues, and that within that endless continuation, you have the power to create something that never truly disappears. Because when the cosmos dreams of forever, it does so through you.